I've spent the last 90 days testing over 90 different AI tools. And what I'm about to show you right now are the ones that actually matters. AI is not going to replace you, but I have no doubt it's going to replace lazy people, slow people, and especially everyone who refuses to implement AI in their businesses. Listen, I work for this company who refuse to evolve. They refuse to adapt. They refuse to implement AI, no technology, no marketing, no social media presence. Guess what's gonna happen? Because it hurts. But listen, I don't want the same thing happen to you. If you wanna grow a business in 2026, or even start a business in 2026, make sure you watch this video to the end. Because in this video, I'm gonna give you 5 AI tools you must start using right now. And trust me, each one of them is gonna save you so much time and so much money. So let's dive in. So many people, they fear being replaced by AI these days. But I can tell you by own experience, AI is not going to remove people. What AI is doing right now and is gonna keep doing in the future is much more removing waste time and removing unnecessary work. It removes slow decisions. But also, it removes the excuses most entrepreneurs have to not grow. Listen, the winners in 2026 are not the ones that's gonna work a lot more hours, more weeks, a lot harder. Trust me, they're gonna be the ones who learn how to buy back their time with AI. So today, I'm gonna break down this video in 4 sections that's gonna help you more understand how AI can definitely be a game changer for your business. In the section number 1 is 5 AI tools for service businesses. In the next one, we're gonna talk about 5 AI tools for coaches. And the next one is gonna be 5 AI tools for social media curators. And it's sticking to the end because in the next section, I'm gonna give you 5 AI tools you must implement right now to save and protect your money. Hey guys, listen, no hypes, no fantasies. What I've given you today is based on what actually works in real businesses. And just so you know, I am not sponsored by any of these AIs I'm about to mention in this video. I don't get paid to say their names. I don't get paid to say their logos. These are just my personal recommendations based on real testing. So in the section number 1, we're gonna talk about service businesses. And I'm gonna give you 5 AI tools every service businesses must use in 2026. And the first one is Jobber with AI automations. Most service businesses, they lose money from chaos, missed calls, late quotes. But listen, you are losing so much money by not doing follow-ups. So here is where Job comes in. What Jobber does? Jobber is gonna handle everything for you. Jobber is gonna eliminate human mistakes and gonna make your businesses look more organized. So here's how I use Jobber and how other business owners that I know, they do the same thing. And you can start today. You can put a price into this system. Jobber is gonna create quotes immediately. And Jobber also will send the quotes to the clients. It will follow up automatically. And also, it will add book jobs to your calendar, and it will track payments. With Jobber, you're gonna have a AI ops manager that runs everything for you without you doing the work. So this is how you buy back your time. AI number 2 for service business, go high level. Go high level speeds everything for your business. It's gonna respond every email, every message, every request you're gonna receive immediately, which is really hard for human beings keep doing the same kind of work with consistency. And consistency is the key for growth. So how can you start implementing Go High Level in your business today? This is how it works. When a customer messages you, "Hi, how much you charge for pressure washing?" Your AI agent is gonna answer immediately. It's gonna collect details, it provides estimate, and it will book the appointment, all done for you. What it does, in fact, AI customer service, AI scheduling, and AI follow-up, which is gonna give you more jobs without you spending money hiring more people. Just simple like that. And the next one is QuickBooks. Why you should use it? Because here's the catch. Most business owners, trust me, they don't know their numbers. QuickBooks prevents expensive taxes mistakes. It's gonna give you real clarity. How can you use it? It's gonna connect your banking accounts. QuickBooks is gonna list every transaction that comes through. It's gonna show you weekly or monthly profits. And also, it's gonna predict cash flow and send invoice automatically. QuickBooks is gonna be just like basically your AI bookkeeping plus cash flow forecasting. And the next one, Sense AI. How you can use it. Listen, let's be real here. Every service business, they have slow months, right? We gotta agree on that. What Sense gonna do for you? It's gonna forecast them even before they happen. And that's, for me, saves a lot of money. It's actually amazing. It's gonna help you plug the gaps. How can you use it? Sense AI will detect slow weeks. It will suggest discounts or upsells. It's gonna give you some ideas of how can you bring more customers to your business and how you can resell to the customers you already have. It will automate follow-up messages to old clients as well. Sense AI, it's your AI revenue prediction plus customer retention. And the last one for the service business section is going to be ChatGPT, but probably not the way you are using ChatGPT right now. As a matter of fact, stop using ChatGPT like you use Google. ChatGPT has so much more that can give to you, to your business. So let's take advantage of that, okay? You're gonna use ChatGPT here for perplexity for SOPs in training. Why should you use it? Training employee manually is slow and very inconsistent. I can tell that by myself. I've been training so many people for the past years. It's exhausting. So much time consuming, so much stress. That's why you have to implement AI and make your job a lot easier and faster. ChatGPT is gonna give you perfect instructions every single time. So here's how you can use it. You're gonna tell ChatGPT, create a 10-step window cleaning procedure. So here's what you're gonna get. Clear steps, safety notes, tools list, quality standards. ChatGPT is gonna be your full AI system for training, scripts, customer communication, and manuals. These 5 tools alone can turn every small service business into a fully automated and professional operation. In all these 5, I'm using my company right now. So let's jump to the next section. Section number 2, AI tools for coaches. Whether you are a fitness coach, life coach, or business coach, whatever the case may be, these 5 AI tools, every single coach must use in their business. In 2026 will be definitely a game changer for you. The goal here, guys, is to buy back your time and to grow your business, okay? And the first one is Kajabi AI. So let's be honest here, guys. Most coaches, they fail because they are not organized. Kajabi can centralize your whole business. So what it does? Kajabi can build landing pages, it creates courses and programs. It will automate your emails all for you. And also, it will deliver content professionally. Here is where most coaches fail. Kajabi can be your entire coaching ecosystem in only one place, all powered by AI. The next one is Notion AI. As a coach, let's be honest here, you know your clients expect structure, tracking, professionalism, and progress, right? So Notion AI is going to be the best tool for your systems. So guys, if you don't have AI, if you don't have systems, if you don't have processes in your company, you're never gonna be able to buy back your time, and soon you're gonna be out of the market. Don't let this happen to you or to your company, okay? So how can you use it for? Client dashboards, weekly check-ins, habit tracking, coaching framework, content ideas. Notion AI is going to build templates and it's going to organize everything for you in only one place. It is in fact your AI brain for coaching systems. And the next one, 11 Labs. So you're a coach and you know audio coaches increases clients' results, right? But recording audios takes a lot of time. And the goal here is to buy back your time. So you can take that time and reinvest in what actually makes your business grow. How can you use it? You can write lessons. You can convert all the lessons you just wrote into your own voice. Send to the clients. You can also create motivational messages for them. 11 Labs is going to turn every text into a professional audio immediately. And the next one is Loom AI. Why you should use it? Giving feedback to your clients, it's time consuming, it's exhausting. I know that. I've been there. Trust me. Loom AI is going to cut the time in half. How can you use it? It's going to record your feedback. It will summarize it for you. It will also highlight the key points, and your clients will receive the clear breakdowns. 11 Labs, it is your AI elevated video feedback. This AI is going to take your business coach to the next level. And the next one is ManyChat AI. You are a coach. You know where most of your leads gonna come from, right? DMs. ManyChat AI is going to automate the entire process for you. It will send PDFs or guides to your clients. It will gather all information for you. And also, it can book calls for you. It will follow up leads. And it will answer common questions. Can you see here how much time those AI tools can save you? This is insane. So start using ManyChat right now. You see those coaches growing their accounts online, their business is exploding, it's booming, it's taking off. Why? They just implement AI, they implement systems, they implement process, and AI handles everything for them. And that's how your coaching business can take off as well. In the next section, I'm going to give you 5 AI tools for social media creators. These are the best 5 AI tools you can possibly have to grow your social media in 2026. So let's dive in. The first one is Opus Clip AI. Why you should use it? With Opus Clips AI, one long video turns into 20 or even more pieces of content. So this is how you stay consistent. So how are you gonna use it? It's very easy actually. So you're gonna upload the video. Opus AI is gonna find the viral moments for you. And also it can generate captions and it cuts everything automatically. It is basically your AI short form editor. And the next one is Video AI. So why should you use it? It has better highlight detections for talking videos and podcasts. So how are you gonna use it? You just upload the raw video. So Video AI is gonna detect the best 10 to 20 seconds moments of your video and it's gonna add captions to it. Video AI does a lot of heavy lifting in terms of editing, creating, engaged content, and even optimize for different platforms, which definitely is gonna help you with consistency. The third one you should start using is CapCut AI. CapCut AI, it is the fastest way you can edit short content. So how are you gonna use it? On CapCut AI, you have so many templates, auto captions, it also removes backgrounds. It gives you clean transitions as well. That's gonna give you the feeling of being tech savvy. Because with CapCut AI, you can deliver a very professional piece of content. And you can upload them in so many different platforms. And the next one is ChatGPT. I know we already talked about it, but in this case, you're gonna use ChatGPT, Gemini for scripts. Why should you use it? So you're a creator, right? So you know how much time you spend writing your scripts, but only because you're not using AI correctly. So how can you use it? You can write your hooks. You can rewrite the scripts in your own tone. You can improve clarity so you deliver better piece of content to your audience. And also it creates outlines for you. It is basically the AI reading assistant for content creators, for you and for your business. Let's talk about now Canva. So as a creator, you already know your thumbnails is gonna decide in only 2 seconds if someone's gonna click or not. Check this thumbnail here. Now check this one. Which one is more appealing? Yeah, and they're all done in Canva AI. If your thumbnail has low quality, it doesn't deliver a clear message, guess what's gonna happen? No clicks, no views, no clients, no sales, no growth. With Canva AI, you can create all these thumbnails. You can also test different styles, and also you can make carousels for Instagram. Canva AI is basically your AI graphic designer and does everything for you with so many options and so many templates. That saves you so much time. This is how actually you buy back your time. In the next section, as I promised you, I'm gonna give you 5 AI tools that you can start implementing in your business, in your personal life, that can protect your money. And the first one is Copilot Money AI. Why you should use it? As you know, humans overspend without even noticing. With AI, you're never gonna have this problem. What Copilot AI does for you? It can categorize expenses and also warns me when spend increases. It tracks all my subscriptions and also is gonna give you weekly reports. Copilot AI is basically your AI personal financial assistant. It handles everything for you. And the second one I wanna talk in this video when it comes to protect your money is Monarch Money AI. So how can you use it? It's gonna connect your accounts. It's gonna track all your investments across all the platforms that you are using right now. It's gonna also show you clearly all the cash flow trends and also adjust your budget. It is your AI budgeting plus your AI net worth tracking. And the third one I'm gonna bring back in this video is the QuickBooks. But in this case right now is a QuickBook AI for taxes. As a business owner, you know one single tax mistake can cost you a lot. So with AI, you're gonna eliminate this risk. So how can you use it? You're gonna store receipts, It's gonna show you all taxes is coming your way in the future. It tracks millage automatically. It also helps you to keep separate the business from the personal spending. The QuickBooks AI taxes, it is basically your AI tax assistant. And remember, you're not hiring anyone to do that. It's just AI. And the next one is Fidelity Schwab AI tools. You are a business owner. You might be an investor as well. As investors, we know that investing requires research, which so many people don't have time for it. So how Fidelity can save you time and help you protect your money? It's going to give you risk reports, it's going to compare stocks, it's going to evaluate the long-term trends, and also can give you a perspective of what companies should you invest your money. It is your AI-powered investments analysis. In the next one, I want you to pay very close attention, is the Scribe AI plus Insurance AI tools. You know, documentations can save you when hard time hits, emergencies, audits, in so many cases. With Scribe AI, you're gonna track your receipts, you're gonna store warranties, and save contracts. It will document all the important process you have. Scribe AI is basically your AI document plus management protection. Hey guys, as I told you before, AI is not replacing people. AI is replacing the slow people and the people who refuse to adapt. And all the business and the companies that will not only survive but grow in 2026 are not the one working more hours, are not the one hiring the most capable team. Those are the ones that are using AI to multiply their hours so they can buy back their time. Listen, if you want to break down one of these sections in a very detailed video, please tell me in the comments right now which one of these categories you want me to go very deep in and give you more knowledge about it. Just let me know in the comments down below. Type which one you want to learn more about. And I promise in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can set up these automations step by step. So if you want to learn how $100,000 a year doesn't make you rich anymore, watch this video next. See you on the other side.